Okay, so I got my first air conditioning call of the season of it's April 15th of 2022. First air conditioning call. Got a call with no AC. Condensing unit's not running. Let's go check it out. So we got a Goodman right here. Okay, 410A unit. So okay, well, so far the unit runs if I push in the contactor. So we got no 24 volts, and we got a bunch of refrigerant oil all over here. This thing's all kind of wet. I don't know. Well, we got oil all the way back up to here. I think what we got is a terrible install, like NorCal. Look at that weld, is terrible. It didn't even go into the didn't even go in. It's just laid on the surface of the pipe. It didn't even go into here. I bet you that's leaking big time. Look at that. No penetration whatsoever. No sucky in like these, copper to copper, but they didn't, the brass weld, they didn't get it. That's why I always use 56 on this connection. That's terrible. That's definitely leaking. Okay, got my bubbles on there. Absolutely terrible. Wow. These welds, 15% don't look bad, but I have to check it. Okay, I have what do we got here? We got nothing in the high side. Anyways, low side, just got the hose hooked up. Got 140 pounds pressure, 49 degrees. It's 65 out here. Got a leak most definitely here. I gotta put my bubbles on it. So it's 65 degree ambient out here, so we should have like 185 balance pressure. If we don't, so that means we don't have any liquid. It's all gas. So we got 140 pounds pressure. Let's see if we have any leak here. Nothing obvious so far. Just check the bottom. See if we got anything on the bottom here. Any leakage? Wow. I'm shocked.
Might have leaked out completely, as he said.
Well, we got 140 pounds pressure, so we should be getting some bubbles. I would hope. Maybe we do right. Maybe we do right there.
You found it?
Maybe. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I would think so. That weld just looks really suspect. I wonder.
suspect. Yeah. I think you're right.
What do you mean?
Like if everyone calls it Kleenex, then it's not unique to them anymore.
Right, yeah.
When I
So,
studied marketing, they said, they don't want you doing that because
right.
they might.
So, yeah, we definitely got a leak here.
I see the bubbles.
It's that you can see the bubbles coming back. Yeah, it's very slight. And the guy, this thing's been installed 2013, so 9 years. The last guy never used the air conditioning, so it just leaked out probably over the last 9 years. So, all right. But yeah, tiny leaker, terrible installate, just like.
That's the thing.
Just right from installation, from day one, it's just somebody not installing it correctly.
Installation is so.
Okay, we got a 70 and a 5. Let's check it out, see if it's any good. So, we got 70 microfarad and 5, plus or minus 5%. So, it could be 10% would be 7 on the 70 side. And 3.5, 5%, so we got 69, 60, 68. So it's pretty much, it's close. Should be replaced. I mean, so close. It could be 3, so not really, but kind of, sort of. Or it'll still work, I think. I don't know. And the fan, what are we at? 4.6. Yeah, it's still good. Sorry, guys, the camera doesn't pick it up great, but yeah, capacitor's still good. All right. Okay, is this actually accurate? Gotta see. So this 5-ton job, I'm gonna need 10 pounds of refrigerant at least. And do we have it? So this jug needs to weigh at least 15. I think I might just make it. 16 pounds. We got about a 30-foot line set. Probably, maybe 40-foot line set. The unit says it takes about 7 pounds of refrigerant by itself. It's only good for a 15-foot line set. So 10 on the jugs. It'll be damn close. You guys think I'll make it? Might as well have to pick up another jug of 410A.